Hi everybody, welcome to the 4th episode of Cook with Kay. Now is September and can you believe that summer's over? I'm a little bit sad summer's over, but it also means that we have fall weather and a bountiful harvest to look forward to. So in today's episode, we're going to pick apples around Toronto, and I decided to bring you here to Spadina House. I couldn't think of a better place where we could pick apples from many different varieties of apple trees. And there's beautiful gardens here that have been restored to what they should look like in 1905. We're also going to make an apple strudel from these apples, and then we're going to go over to Edwards Gardens and Wilket Creek to get sumac berries and make a sumac-ade drink from them. I hope you enjoy today's episode and thank you for joining me. Spadina House has a nonprofit organization called Not Far From the Tree that picks all the apples in its orchard. So they don't want you to pick from the tree, but you're allowed to pick them up from the ground. And also they have collected a basket here for you of apples and whatever else is seasonal fruit. I'm standing in front of one of the nicer trees here that are ripening with the apples. This orchard is inside a garden that's been historically renovated to look like the original 1905 garden here. And the gardener just came by and told me that most of these trees are about maybe 35 years old. Almost none of them are the original ones. Some of them have been replanted from other places. It's September 2nd today, and I'm noticing that some of these sumac berries are looking a little bit dry. So I'm going to try to pick the most bright red ones. Hi everybody, it's so nice to see you again, even though I can only imagine what your faces look like. Today we're in the fall edition of Cook with Kay, and we've already picked sumac berries from around town. So we're gonna first of all make a sumac-ade, which is a kind of sour drink similar to lemonade with these. And also, I picked these ones from around town. These ones came from behind a church. And in addition to the ones we already got from Spadina House and City Parks, we're gonna make a really nice apple strudel from filo pastry with it. How do you say let's eat in Portuguese?
Vamos comer.
Comos.
Vamos
Vamos comer.
comer.
Comer, oh. It looks really good. Oh, wow. Look at all these layers. It's good.
Mm.
Yeah, I'm actually thinking that for this type of pastry, it's better to use the medium thickness. Like this one is the really very thin phyllo. This is medium phyllo.
This one is more crispy.
Yeah.
Yeah, this looks like some food that I ate in my country. It's the same texture.
Like
But-
the inside or the outside?
Outside.
Oh, okay.
But it's yummy. I like it. It's melt in my mouth.
Oh, okay.